Hi, my name is George Bertram. I'm the VP of Engineering for Intellipack Incorporated. MFG.com has been, almost from the beginning, I'd say for 3 years now, we've been actively working with it. Almost as soon as we started needing to buy parts to build product, I realized very quickly that doing it the old-fashioned way was going to be very slow, very painful, and not giving us the results we really needed to survive. Well, we want to have the best products on the market, and we also want to be competitive with, on price with what the big guys can do. The only way we can do that is to be very aggressive in our procurement policies and activities, and MFG has been a fantastic resource for us. It's given us the equivalent of a big full-time purchasing department, when in reality it's a job that I do part-time. It's a tremendous resource. I get a lot of good companies making good parts for good prices. You post one RFQ, it takes you 5 to 10 minutes, and you have access to literally hundreds and hundreds of potential suppliers. For me to find those people would be impossible, first of all, and I would never have the time to be able to contact multiple suppliers for parts. It's not, we have thousands of parts in our inventory. I'm responsible for procuring all of those parts, or most all of them, and I do it as a part-time job. It's not fair to say that MFG.com cuts my procurement activity time in half, because it cuts it by about 100-fold. I mean, I save so much time and energy. I can't even comprehend how I would manage this business otherwise. It just wouldn't. I don't think we would work. It wouldn't work. We wouldn't be here right now. Turnaround prototype parts or fixtures, I would go to local shops and pay through the schnoz for parts, and get, you know, a song and dance on delivery all the time. With MFG, I find I can get quick delivery on prototype parts and fixtures faster than I can get from the local guys. And yes, it's not just about price, it's about quality. I find good vendors, and I find vendors that I would never find in a million years, that have the time to do my work, that have the right equipment to do my work, and are eager for the business. And because all those things come together, and that's what makes it work. Many times we will post an RFQ, and based on comments we get from suppliers, we will make changes, and then we can very quickly repost new drawings to the RFQ, and with a few comments, we're changing designs on the fly, and virtually everybody out there can see the changes as they're occurring. So, yeah, we found vendor feedback to be very helpful. No, I don't use any other online sourcing. I haven't found a need for it. MFG is so comprehensive, and so has so many people involved on the supplier side that I haven't really found any need to go anywhere else. This whole system of online procurement is truly a revolution, and if people out there, especially small companies like ours, are not taking advantage of this, you're crazy. I mean, this thing is unbelievable. What it's done for us, if you could multiply it by the thousands and thousands of companies out there in a similar situation, I mean, it would change the economy. It would change the whole system of how we get things done.